Hey good people of the internet, my name is Jake Sloan and I make videos here on YouTube all about how you can take your mobile phone and create great cinematic videos using a few simple tricks and some simple tools and accessories. So if you would like to join me on the journey of learning how to take this device and create some great cinematic videos, then hit subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified as I upload new videos, and join me on the journey of this mobile video filmmaking revolution. So in today's video, I want to talk about and teach you how some simple movement will really increase the cinematic quality of your videos and help you tell a better story. But to do that, I think we have to go somewhere else. This location isn't as conducive to that as possible. But before we go, I want to show you two differences. One, a static shot like this, it could be the most beautiful location in the world, but people will get bored with that quickly. So if you add a simple pan from the bottom to the top or from the left to the right, it adds a whole new dimension of your storytelling because it's revealing more information to your audience. And the same with this shot right here. If it's static, it's fine, it's pretty, but if you add a pan from the bottom to the top, it really adds to the cinematic quality. It increases the storytelling value because it's revealing more information to your audience. So I think we need to go get some footage and maybe explore some other options for how we can add to our storytelling with just some simple movement.
So one thing to keep in mind when you're trying to move your camera is keep your arms tucked to your sides and keep yourself real still, and then just pivot with your wrists and your elbows or just on your body. That way it'll keep the motion nice and smooth if you don't have a gimbal or something like that. So another way to make sure that your movement is smooth and cinematic looking is film in a higher frame rate, like 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second or even higher. But that will help smooth out any movement, little jitters, anything like that that you might have. So, and almost every phone now can do 60 or 120 frames a second. It'll really help give you that smooth, kind of dreamy cinematic look. Another thing to watch for is use different angles, like a really, really low angle or a really high angle. Anything that's a different perspective than the normal eye height will really add a lot of interest to your footage. So look for new ways, look for new perspectives, try new things to get interesting perspectives. So if you start really low and then pan up, or you start really high and come down close to the ground, that'll really make a difference in your footage.
That was a beautiful day up there. It was a little windy, but it was gorgeous. I think I got sunburned. Okay, so now that you've seen a little bit what just a little bit of motion will do to make your videos a little bit more cinematic. I filmed all that on my phone using 4K 60 frames a second. It was a little windy, so some of the audio was a little bit noisy and stuff, but still, it doesn't matter. The content is pretty nice and pretty good. So now what I want to show you is how putting those shots together to tell just a short, quick story of going to explore some ice caves on a glacier with my kids. Add a little bit of music and voila, you have this lovely little cinematic video that you can share with friends, family, or you know, your dog or something like that. Anyway, enjoy.
So there you go. A few simple things you can do to add some really cinematic effects to your phone footage. If you want to join me on this journey of learning to use your phone to a really high potential and take your footage to the next level and create amazing cinematic videos with your phone, then subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Let me know in the comments below what you think and ideas you have for making your phone footage more cinematic. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you again soon in the next video.
I want to point where the built-in was.